Hi guys, today we're opening a microwave and our dishes. Hi guys, my name is Ravia and this is my brother Rivaan. Today we're gonna play with our kitchen toys.
Yeah, you got new kitchen toys.
Yeah,
So what did Rivaan got?
a microwave.
Can you show us, Rivaan? Hey, you got this new microwave.
Yeah, look what happened.
So how does it work?
Here's the food and here's the color.
It's a food.
Food.
Yeah, the color of the food is yellow. So let's cook it.
Yes, I put in the microwave will turn yellow.
It's already yellow. That's a cute microwave. Let's put the food in there.
Yeah. Green. It's turning red. Turning red.
It's cooking.
Yes. It'll be very hot.
Oh, yeah.
Don't touch it. Only for edges.
Food is ready now.
It's almost ready, not ready.
Yeah, it changed the color.
Red.
And yet see, it's now red.
And guys, look up there. Everything on our being blue.
Yeah, and the food looks cooked now.
Yes, I know.
So Rivaan, it looks beautiful.
Yes.